Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are worried about your PC, whether it is running too hot, this video is for you. In this video, I will show you exactly how to check your CPU temperature in Windows 11 step by step. This particular tutorial is beginner friendly, so make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now in our method 1, you can use any of the pre-installed software like OEM tools. So when I purchased my Acer laptop, I got this NitroSense, which is quite easy application that I use. So this is, I can say, the built-in application. So as you can see, if I open it, it can show me the CPU performance, the GPU performance, the CPU temperature here, which is 70 as of right now. You will also see the percentage like 26%, etc. So if I click on the max option, I can run the fans here and reduce this particular CPU temperature. So when the laptop is on charging, it shows high CPU temperature, which is quite obvious. So with the help of this particular tool, I can definitely just check out whether my PC is running hot or not. But if this particular option is not available in your PC, you can simply just open your web browser. Over here you can download this particular application, that is Core Temp. You can also search for HW monitor. So here you can open a new tab and search for HW monitor. So these types of softwares also do the same thing. You need to simply click on the install button and install it in your device. Then when you open them, you will show the temperature of your CPU core in the real time, and this way you can keep an eye on for everything above 85 degrees Celsius. That's usually too hot for most of the PCs. So these applications are right easy to use and don't change any system settings. So this is how you can check CPU temperature in Windows 11 safely and without touching the BIOS. If this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tips, drop a comment if your PC has been heating up lately. Thanks for watching.